Introduced in 2018, electoral bonds serve as a means for individuals and entities to make donations to registered political parties while maintaining donor anonymity. Citizens of India or a body incorporated in India can purchase the electoral bonds and then donate them to a political party of their choice. These bonds are either in the form of a promissory note or a bearer bond. Only one lender, that is State Bank of India, issues these bonds in denominations of 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh and 1 crore rupees. The bonds are available for purchase for 10 days each in January, April, July and October. An additional period of 30 days can also be specified by the centre in the year of the general elections. So, in 2024, the government may grant an additional 30 days for the purchase of these bonds. According to the centre's notification, electoral bonds need to be donated in less than 15 days of the purchase. According to the petitioners in the Supreme Court, nobody except the SBI knows the source of political funding in India via electoral bonds. Senior advocate Prashant Bhushan argued in the Apex Court that it defeats the fundamental right to information. The petitioners also argued that it may lead to a rise in corruption and prevent the elections from being free and fair. The central government, however, argues that the citizens do not have the fundamental right to be informed about the sources of political funding. But during the ongoing hearing, Chief Justice of India Chandrachud observed that when a large public limited company makes political donations, it is not for charity. According to the Association for Democratic Reforms, electoral bonds generated donations worth over 9,188 crore rupees for all political parties put together till 2021-22. Out of this, the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party alone accounted for over 57%. The Congress accounted for 10% of these donations. The remaining went to other parties. Moreover, there was a 743% jump in donations through these bonds between 2017-18 and 2021-22. Several cases have been filed against the validity of electoral bonds. On 20th January 2020, the Apex Court refused to grant an interim stay on the scheme and sought the responses of the Centre and Election Commission to an interim application filed by the NGO seeking a stay on the scheme. In April 2019, the Supreme Court had declined to stay the electoral bond scheme and made it clear that it would accord an in-depth hearing on the pleas as the Centre and the EC had raised weighty issues that had tremendous bearing on the sanctity of the electoral process in the country. Centre and EC had taken a contrary stance in the court, with the Centre arguing that the anonymity of the donors must be maintained.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
She has ambitions of becoming a brand. Business Standard.